Hello students, let's begin the subtopic, that is what causes changes in the weather. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. It is the source of all heat and light on the earth. The sun's heat absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans and the atmosphere plays an important role in determining the temperature at any place. If the temperature of air around us on a particular day is high, we say that the weather is hot. If the temperature on a particular day is low, we say that the weather is cold. The sun's heat causes the water from the oceans and land evaporate. So the sun's heat causes the water from not only from the oceans but also from the land to evaporate to form water vapor. The water vapor rises high up in the atmosphere, gets cooled due to the cold air, and then condenses and forms the clouds. If there is a lot of water vapor in the air, we say that the weather is humid, and also sometimes when it is cloudy, then we say the weather is cloudy. Now you see, when the cloud becomes very heavy, then the water drop from the clouds, it moves down as rain. That means the water droplets in the clouds, when it becomes very heavy, then they fall down as rain, and then we can say the weather is rainy. We know that the sun heats up the earth's surface. So the hot surface of the earth heats up the air near it. You know about the land bridge and the sea bridge. So you know, when the earth's surface becomes hot due to the heats of the sun, then the air near it also becomes very hot, and the hot air, it is lighter. So being lighter, the hot air rises up and creating an area of low pressure, and then the air from the high pressure area moves towards the low pressure area. So this movement of area from high pressure area to the low pressure area to vacate the place of the air, that means the hot air, when it rises up, it makes a vacant place. So that vacant place is that means completely filled up by the air which moves from the high pressure area. So that movement is known as wind. So it is the sun's heat which causes wind to blow. So we can say wind blows due to the heats of the sun. So when a lot of wind blows, then we say the weather is windy. So what we can conclude? We can conclude that the sun causes hot weather, cloudy weather, rainy weather, windy weather, humid weather. And that means, in fact, we can say all the changes in the weather are caused by the sun. So this is all about the the main factor which causes the changes in weather, and the main factor is the sun.